Magandang araw sa lahat. Pag-aaralan natin ngayon ay Basic Concepts in Statistics. Ano nga ba ang statistics? Statistics is a branch of mathematics that deals with the collection, organization, presentation, analysis, and interpretation of data. Kapag sinabing collection of data, this is done usually using data gathering instrument such as questionnaire, interview, observation, and experimentation. So after mag-gather yung data, in statistics, you will organize or sort out the data. Ito ay ginagawa sa pamamagitan ng pag-arrange ng data from highest to lowest or vice versa. Minsan, ang data ay isinasaayos alphabetically. Kapag tapos nang i-organize, ipe-present naman ito gamit ang textual form, graphical form, or tabular form. Since ang purpose ng pag-present ng data ay descriptive in nature, it is expected to analyze the findings. So after ma-analyze ang findings, we will draw the conclusion. At alamin naman natin ang mga basic concepts in statistics. Una ay primary data. So lahat ng information coming from the respondents ay primary data. Kapag sinabing respondents, ito ay yung mga taong involved sa isang research. Ikalawa ay secondary data. It refers to the data coming from published materials previously gathered by other individuals or agency. Ibig sabihin, lahat ng reference, lahat ng findings na galing sa mga research ay mapapabilang sa secondary data. Next naman ay population. This is a collection of sets of people, objects, measurements, or happenings that belong to a defined group. Halimbawa, magkakandak ng isang pag-aaral sa isang school. Ibig sabihin, ang population ng iyong research ay ang enrollment sa isang school. Pero, meron din tayong tinatawag na sample. When you say sample, it is a subset of the population. So, based in our example, kung magkakandak ng isang study sa isang school, kukuha lang doon ng sample. So, kung gusto ko ay 50 students lang, kukuha lang po ako ng 50 students out of the total enrollment. Now, let us answer this one. Directions. Fill in the given table, state the population, and the sample in the given statements. Number 1. The researcher surveyed 200 students out of 1,360 male students of Dr. Arcadio Santos National High School about their favorite sports. So, ang population dito ay yung 1,360. Since yun ang total male students sa nasabing school. Samantala, kapag sinabing sample, kukuha lamang ng 200 students para mag-fill out ng survey. Number 2, 500 high school students are being surveyed to find the point of view of grade 7 in answering the self-learning modules. So dito, Ang population ay lahat ng grade 7 students. Samantala, ang sample lang ay 500 students. Next, number 3. Out of 250 Bartoda members, 25 drivers are being asked to determine their average income. So, the researcher will use the Bartoda members. So, the population here is 250 Bartoda members. Samantala, ang sample lamang na kukunin doon ay correct, 25 drivers. Number 4, out of 20,000 constituents, 1,000 residents took a survey from their barangay chairman if they were in favor to take COVID-19 vaccines. So kapag sinabing constituents na sasakupan, ibig sabihin, ang population sa ating given statement is 20,000 constituents. Samantalang, ang kukunin lang na sample sa ating research ay 1,000 residents lang. Next, number 5. 10% of the 2,000 medical staffs were surveyed about the effects of the vaccine on them. So, ilan ang population? Ilang medical staff ang iso-survey? Correct. That is 2,000 medical staff. Pero, sabi dito, 10% lang ng kabuuang bilang ng medical staff ang gagawing sample. At ang 10% ng 2,000 ay 200 medical staff. So, kung mapapansin nyo, ang population po ay mas mataas sa sample. Next is descriptive statistics. When you say descriptive statistics, it is used in collecting, presenting, and interpreting sample data. So, dyan, this is just collecting data. Kukuha lang ng data, i-gather ang data, iso-sort out, ipipresent. Pero, when you are making decision or conclusion, we are now in inferential statistics. Next, so these are the instrument used to gather data. Yung ginagamit para makakuha ng informasyon. The first one is questionnaire method. So, in questionnaire method, there will be a checklist of questions. Okay, so i-check lang nyo dyan. Next is registration method. It is an information from the documents which are required. That is registration method. 3, observation method. So meaning the researcher observes the behavior of the participants in the study. Next is experimental method. This is used to find out the cause and effect relationship of certain changes under controlled conditions. Next is interview method. This is usually done between an interviewer and interviewee with prepared questions. Now let us have these 3 types of sampling. The first one is simple random sampling. It is a method by which every element of a population has a chance of being included in a sample. So, ibig sabihin, halimbawa, ang population ay 1,000. So, gagawa ng strip, ilalagay sa bowl. Pero, kung ang gusto nyo naman ay 100 lang na sample, so 1,000 yung nasa bowl na names, kukuha lang kayo ng 100 na strips. At yun ang gagamitin mo sa iyong research. Next is systematic random sampling. Kapag sinabing ganito, you will be following a procedure with a random start. So meaning, you will get the list, kukunin mo ang list, magdi-decide ka, halimbawa, ang kukunin ko ay 50. So, I decided na yung ikasampung pangalan sa aking lista yun ang kukunin kong sample. So, every 10th member or 10th names will be used as your sample. Number 3 is stratified random sampling. So, ganito yan. From its word stratified, it is usually employed when the population is composed of several strata or subgroups. Halimbawa, gagawa ka ng study about the favorite subject of high school at ang isang junior high school ay may 4 na grade level. So, yung 4 na grade level, yan ang tinatawag nating strata or subgroups. Okay? So, I've decided to get 200 students. So, ibig sabihin, 50 ang kukunin ko bawat isang grade level to have 200 students. Now, let us have 2 classifications of data. Kapag sinabing qualitative data, it is just referring to categorical data or descriptive attributes. And when you say quantitative data, it refers to numerical information. So example, we have here, tell whether the given is qualitative or quantitative data. Number 1, age. Is it a descriptive information or a numerical information? Correct. That is quantitative. Kasi numerical yan. Next, number 2, gender. Correct. That is qualitative, categorical data. Number 3, physical traits. Correct. That is qualitative data. So, walang numbers na kailangan. Number 4 is quantitative data, since score ang pinag-uusapan. Number 5, color of the skin. That is correct, qualitative data. 6, quantitative data. Kasi kapag sinabing height, you will get the number. And number 7, citizenship, qualitative data. Number 8, income. That is quantitative. So, numerical data yan. Number 9, weight. Correct, quantitative data. And lastly, but not the least, taste. Correct, that is qualitative data. So, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Goodbye!